Bailey, you want a treat?
¡Mamá! ¡Mamá! ¡El bolilla se está portando mal! ¡Mamá! ¡El bolilla se está portando mal!
Run.
Run away. Run away. Run away.
I'm working. Nope, I'm working.
Oh, get off my cord. Do you miss Mama? She miss. Oh no!
Huh?
Oh yeah. Oh, you're gonna pretend to be hurt. Oh.
Come here. Come here. Who did that? Is that you? Who did that?
No. No.
You go straight on, mate. You go straight on. You're doing a good job. That's a good well done. Good boy.
Stop!
Hey, let's give it a fighting chance. Come here. Come here.
Oh, it's for it's a fun. Hey, cry. Oh, no, it's getting Oh, that's so sad.
回家了，走。往前走，你往前走。
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
What are you doing? What are you doing, mister? What are you doing, mister?
Patty. Oh, God. Are you? Oh, it's slippery.
American Onion video.
Don't you hit me. You're such a baby.
Hi, Grandma. I play baseball. It's a baby. You still have to say, oh, come on. I get your baby.
Emmy, stay. Sit. Emmy, stop.
Why? Oh, that doesn't really clear it up, but.
There will be days where you feel angry.
Oh, thanks, Apollo.
That's what it is.
You opened the door for me.
No matter how weird you
That means.
小宝回来。
闹闹在欺负小宝的闹闹。
Really? Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, that's a bad plan, isn't it? Yep, moving on.
You can't put his head right in your mouth. Oh.
She's actually making a snowball.
That is hilarious. Buddy, you gotta go. Let's go.
That worked. Yep. He doesn't want a ticket.
Everybody's
Wow, that's totally.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
Never happened. Yes, bring it back. Yes, bring it back to me. Come here. I gotta deliver it back. Since you took it from me? No. No.
Let us high five. Tell him to give you a high Kayla, you gotta give him $1. He won't do it unless you give him $1. Wait, he knows. Wait.
Mabel. Mabel. Show the people your makeshift cone. I added paper plates to add a little more length. You love me.
Olive in. No, Cooper.
You have a smooth brain.
Cooper.
No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. You don't know how to do that door, do you? Winter knows how to do the door. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god! My dog!
This is normal. Stay focused.
Okay. Your knife? Your knife?
I just
Your knife?
It's gonna stay dry through the weekend.
What in the world is that?
I hope he didn't pull that off the building.
Put you up for sale. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Come here. Oh, damn it here.
Marlon, come on. Come on. Goulet. It's you, Goulet.
This side eye is serious. Truly. Hey, no, stop it. Get back in there.
You got your doggy bed? Hi, bye. Hi, Ashy. Are you trying to sleep together?
Good boy.
Good job.
Shut up.
My best friend. Love of my life. I know more than anything.
Number one. Boop. 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 Hey, boop, 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 boop.
Upstairs, come on. No, no, no. No, we're going upstairs.
Yeah, you guys. I feel like the overall feeling of the woman is that they're just not confident. We're trying to settle, but I love that piece. The snakes, I wouldn't go too crazy with that. It's too spaghetti right there. Sometimes less. teeth. You look nice.
Che, Lancia, escúchame. Mira, vino tu papi. Vino tu papi. Sí, vino tu papi. Sí, yo lo escuché. Sí, vino tu papi.
Rocco, go lay down. What?
Huh?
Make that sound.
They're locking eyes. That is horrifying. He's a hyena.
Yeah.
Paw. Thank you. Paw. Thank you. Paw.
Yay, preseason.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy.
Stop playing.
What are you doing?
Are you mad at me?
Say you want some whipped cream?
And broski. Hell yeah, broski! Shake and bake! Shake and bake! Yeah, baby!
Is it just too much? Less feet on the table? I know.
Just bite it. Gentle.